Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Jay. Welcome back to my channel. Today, you see I have a new little purchase that I thought I'd do a little unboxing for. And you've probably seen what it is by the title of this video. So let's just get started. Let's make this short and sweet because I kind of want to get these bad boys on. If this is your first time here, welcome. It's great to have you. If it's not, welcome back. Make sure to like this video if you like it and to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Let's just get this started, I guess. These are the new Yeezy 700 salts. They came out today. Big thanks to one of my favorite stores in New York, Jeffrey, for picking me for the raffle to pick these up today. I'm super excited. I literally put my name in for the raffle for drops every time, and I've never won. But I won this one, so. Just leave that out. So these are the first Yeezy drops of 2019. They're the 700 salt. Let's open these guys up. To be honest, I'm not really a huge sneaker drop person, but I got the email from Jeffrey that these are going to be coming out and there's going to be the raffle, so I just put my name in. I wasn't really expecting to win, but I did, which was amazing. So super excited to have these guys. It said they were gray when I looked them up online, but when I got them, they're actually like a mint green, if you can see, and they have kind of gray detail on the sides here, but even the gray is still kind of like they are a lot more wearable than the 500s, which I have, which have kind of the weird bubbly soles. These soles are flat, as you can see. There's not really too much to say about them. They're pretty classic style. They actually look kind of similar to the Dior sneakers, actually Studio sneakers that are really big right now. But the color, really what makes them different is the color. You really don't see this color in a shoe. But I've mentioned in other videos, this mint green color is really in the season. So when I saw there was this. I was a little disappointed that it wasn't the gray that I thought it was, so it looks like it was in the photos, which I'll include here. But actually thinking about it, this mint green is actually really in the season. It's going to be really fun to style these guys. What really else is there to say about these other than I'm excited to try them on. And I'll try them on for you guys real quick too, just so you can kind of see what they look like on the feet. So once again, thanks for watching this video, guys. If you want me to do more unboxing type videos, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. But I will see you guys soon, and you'll probably see me in these bad boys on the ground. So I will see you later.